Welcome to this GCSE revision question on sharing ratio. So in this one, we have got a mixture of sugar and salt in a ratio of 3:2. The 3 represents the sugar and the salt represents the 2. There's 2 parts salt and 3 parts sugar. And you're going to make a mixture of 150 grams. Calculate the weight of sugar and the weight of salt in the mixture. Okay, so the first thing that we will need to do is add that ratio up. So we know that this ratio has 5 parts in it. And so we will split the mixture into 5 parts like that. And so once we split that into 5, you know that each part is going to be 30 grams. So now if I want to know how much sugar I need, we need 3 parts sugar, so that's going to be 30 times 3, so we're going to need 90 grams of sugar, and we need 2 parts salt, so that's going to be the salt at 2 times that 30, so that's going to be 60 grams of salt. And just like that, we've got 90 grams there and 60 grams there and 3 marks in the bag. Notice how I'm speaking to the examiner. I've told them what I'm actually doing, that the sugar is that and the salt is that, and they can see my calculations clearly. This is how you capture marks from the examiner. Okay, good. Now let's do the bottom half of this question. So we have got here 30 grams of sugar and 10 grams of salt are added to the mixture. Calculate the new ratio. So we had 90 grams of sugar before. So let's speak to the examiner. Sugar is going to be 90 plus that 30. So that's going to be 120 grams of sugar in this mixture. And the salt, we've had another 10 grams added, so we had 60 grams of salt, and we've added another 10 to that, so that's 70 grams of salt. And so altogether they want us to find the ratio of sugar to salt. So sugar to salt is going to be 120 to 70. They both are divisible by 10, so 12 to 7. Put it on the line, and just like that, this is finished.